Hi, I'm Rahul from Quicklert's Business Development Team. In this video, I'll be taking you through the settings page of the Connect app. I'll be walking you through each tab of the settings page. These tabs include Profile, Notification, Location, Theme, Panic Button, Panic Alert, Media, and a couple information tabs. Let's get started. To get to the settings page, click on your avatar in the top left corner, and then click Settings. You'll start on the Profile page. Here you can change your profile picture. Just click Change Picture and upload the picture you'd like, or click on the actual picture itself to take a picture with your device camera. Below is your contact information. Each row here represents a different point of contact for your account. You'll see the contact type and its details, when it was last modified, and a toggle that we can use to enable or disable receiving notifications. To add a new contact, click on the plus icon and select which contact type you'd like to add. Enter the contact details and click on the check mark. To delete a contact, just click on the trash icon and then click on Yes. Next, we have the Notification tab, which handles all the notifications you will be receiving. We have toggles to enable and disable system alerts, group-related notifications, on-reply notifications, and new message notifications. Do Not Disturb is a special option that allows you to disable notifications for a specific time frame. Simply set a start time and an end time, and you'll stop receiving notifications during that period. Then you have the Location tab. Location is used by the app when you send messages with location enabled, start a panic alert, or a mass alert. Here you'll be able to select if you would like to use your device location or a custom location. The device location dynamically changes based on where your device is, and custom location allows you to set a fixed location. Just type in the address and click Save. Under the Theme tab, you have options to change the color theme between light, dark, and use system setting. Panic Button is where panic buttons connected to your device will appear. The Panic Alert section grants you the ability to create Panic Alert monitors. These monitors can help add preset configurations to panic alerts generated by specific departments. Let's create a Panic Alert monitor. We will set this Panic Alert monitor to watch for all panic alerts generated by the HR department. Each panic alert triggered by the HR department will have a priority level critical. If you'd like to have the panic alert trigger after a delay, you can add that here. We then have the option of attaching a message to the panic alert. We can also share the alert to a different group when it is triggered. Finally, the Extend by Zip Code option will send the mass alert to the entire zip code that the alert was triggered from. Now that our monitor is created, just click Save. The Media tab is the library for your media files. Here you can upload new audio, images, and videos as well as manage them. These can be used when you send messages and replies. To record a new audio file, just press the microphone icon. Record your message, and once finished, press stop. If you'd like to listen back, just click this play option. If you'd like to redo the recording, click on the microphone. Once you're happy with your recording, enter a description, which will help you find this audio file in the future for when you want to attach it to a message. And then just click Save. You can also upload existing audio files from your computer. In the same way, you can upload images and videos or take a new one. Next is the About tab, which shows information about the Connect app, followed by the terms and conditions about our software. And finally, to log out, you can use the button in the top right corner. And that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.